Okay, so today we are going to do something a bit trickier because we are going to be listening for sounds in words, and all of these words have 4 sounds. So that's why I've got my 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes and 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So parents, you could use some Lego blocks that are different colors if you can, or you might have some tokens or anything that you can sort of make the same size and something that you can move with your finger. Okay, and today we are going to be fishing for these words. So I'm going to try and get, all right, let's see which word I got first. So this fish is cross, but I'm not worried about the letters. We're just listening for the sounds. So I'm going to try and drag with my finger a block into each box for each sound I hear in the word cross. So I can hear the first sound is k, o, s, k, o, s. 4 sounds. Did you hear all 4 sounds in the word cross? It's okay if you didn't, it's a bit tricky. Let's try another one. Okay. Oh, which fishy did I get this time? Jump. Jump. Now I know there are 4 sounds. Let's see if we can listen for them all. Jump. The first sound I can hear is j, a, p, j, a, p. 4 sounds. Did you get them all? All right, 3 more to go. Okay, I caught the dress fish this time. So covering up the letters. We don't worry about the letters today, just the sounds. Here we go. Dress, dress. Have a go saying that word together. Dress. D, e, s, d, s. So this sound here, is often forgotten, and that might be the trickiest one to hear. But that's why we need to practice. Okay, 2 more. Band. Let's give this one a go. The word band. Let's say it together. Band. Band. B. E. N. D. B. E. N. D. It's really important to point to the sounds again. Okay, last one. Worked so hard today. Brick. Okay, brick. Here we go. It's the same first sound as last time. B, b, I, k, b, I, k. Did you hear all 4 sounds? If you didn't, that's okay. It's very tricky. Maybe your parents might be able to think of some words that have 4 sounds in them, and you can practice. Bye.